What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media, back with another video. So today I'll be pretty excited to do some unboxing for you guys. If you guys saw the previous video, you would know that my turbo Mitsubishi Lancer build is back in the garage. So yeah, here she is. If you guys have been following my vlogs up to date, you would know that usually this car doesn't stay where I live at because of a little parking situation. We had to move the car far away to a family house. I'm just glad to have it back here. It's just going to be a temporary move, but I'm going to try to do as many videos of this car as I can, shoot up more content as I can while I have this car here with me in the garage. So over here we have a bunch of parts. Pretty much almost everything here will be going on this car, so that's really exciting. There'll be more installation videos, so make sure to stay tuned for that as well. And before I jump right to opening these boxes, what do you guys think of the quality? So this video is being shot with a different camera, my new camera setup, which is my Canon G7X Mark III. It has 4K quality. I can shoot up to 4K. I'll put on a more powerful memory card as well as external Rode microphone. So hopefully the video quality will be a little bit better. I'm still trying to mess around with the settings. So yeah, this is literally the first video that I'm shooting with this new camera setup. But all these boxes you see here has been accumulated over, I'm gonna say, the past few weeks. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So first things first, over here. This one I just got in the mail today. You might be wondering, it says Race on it. What is that? So if you guys know Race make wheels, and T37s are my favorite wheels of all time. I pretty much have T37s on my Mitsubishi Lancer. These are T37 SLs. I have them on my Civic Si, the OG T37s. My daily RSX has Race Grandlight wheels as well, not TEs but Race. So here I have another set of TEs here. So yeah, if you guys are wondering, this is not, obviously I'm holding it, so this is not a box of wheels, but this is a miniature version of the 18-inch wheels. So yeah, pretty cute. I got this pretty much as a display prop. So if I open up the box, you have your T37 wheel. I think it comes in T's with a few different colors. You can also get the BBS LM wheels. Also comes with the Race center cap as well as Volk Racing sticker that you could paste on there. So yeah, pretty cool. And then once that's all done, you have a little Race stand that you could just prop it up for display. So pretty cool. Like I said, this is not a car modification, but just a little something that I got for myself, little memorabilia, just because I love race wheels, I love T37, so yeah. Now, let's move on to what you guys are interested about, car parts that's going on that car. So let's start over here. So back here we actually have a box from Blackview. So this might give it away right away. What Blackview is a dash cam. So it was my birthday a little while back, and my fiance actually got me a Blackview dash cam camera for my present. So you guys would have known that I got into 2 accidents in the month of June this year, which sucks. One on my RSX, one on my Civic Si, both not my fault. And after that happened, I was like, I need dash cameras on all my cars. So I bought some Amazon dash cams, which I do have a separate video if you guys want to watch the install process. Only car that doesn't have one is this car, and this car needs it the most. That's not because I didn't order it. So again, if you guys are wondering, here's my budget dash cam camera. And if you guys don't even know what a dash cam is, I definitely recommend it if you drive a car. What a dash camera does is you usually mount it at the front windshield right here, little camera, and some has the rear. I usually get the front and rear. So in the event of an accident, if you hit someone or someone hits you, you have video evidence of what happened. So yeah, that's pretty important. Blackview makes top of the line dash cams. They are a Korean company and they are expensive. compared to the Amazon special one I got here. This one shoots in 1080p. I picked it up for less than $100 US on Amazon. Blackview one in comparison, there's different tiers, but this one here is right around $500, so pretty expensive. It has a bunch of fancy stuff, so yeah, it's in here. The camera, it has this little, I'm not sure what this is, it says connectivity module, shoots 4K quality, so yeah, pretty high-tech stuff. I will get to installing this soon. So moving on, let's move on to the box beside it. So this part I've been waiting for a few months. This is a part that's going on the interior of the car. So you guys might be wondering what this is, what this blue box is. I actually already have this in my car. If you peer over here, let me kind of focus on the brand. There's a WB logo in red. So yes, this is a WorksBell product. That means this is from WorksBell Japan. And you guys might be wondering what's in here. So WorksBell makes tilt hubs as well as quick release. I know a lot of you guys are familiar with like NRG quick release, for example. NRG is popular. They are cheaper tier. The original is the WorksBell. They are from Japan. They are more expensive because they're JDM. This one right here is the tilt hub. So you guys might have seen, I have videos where whenever I drive, I have my steering wheel tilted up. So I don't know if you guys can see, I don't have my key with me, but my steering wheel is kind of tilted up at an angle. Yeah, here's a better view. It's tilted up at an angle because it's a tilt hub. So this thing right here in the box is the exact same thing. And you guys are going to be wondering, why do you buy the exact same part? And that's because this piece right here is a collaboration piece. So let me kind of pick it out and show you guys. I do have an install video as well, so if you guys want to check that out, I installed this on my car a few months back. So right here, pretty much sticker saying this authentic product. That's your WorksBell logo. And then on the other side, like I said, this is a collaboration piece. There's some Japanese characters here. This is a collaboration piece between Night Runner International, NRI, with WorksBell. So this product right here, there's only 50 of them worldwide. Yeah, whenever it came out, I snapped it right away just because it was a collaboration piece. So yeah, pretty cool. What it does is you pretty much mount it on your steering wheel. Sorry, I should say, if you do have an aftermarket quick release steering wheel like I do, there's a few ways. You can either mount it on a short hop straight away, or you can have a quick release, which I used to have, which you can remove the whole steering wheel, make it detachable. I decided to go with something a little different for this show season. So like I said, the tilt hub, let me go ahead and rest this right here so you guys can see how the tilt hub operates. Is pretty much you pull this lever and it tilts. There you go. So it tilts like that. Yeah, it tilts, and then you know, pretty much bring it back down. So that's how the mechanism works. So I'm pretty much just adding to the list of rare JDM parts that I have. So I think what I'll probably do is I might post it up for sale. The current tilt hub, you guys don't know, WorksBell tilt hub, they aren't cheap. They usually run around the, I want to say like $450, $500 range. They're pretty expensive. So I might post mine up for sale. Mine's pretty much almost brand new. I just got it out of the box, no scratches. So I might post it up for sale and slap this one on because this one's limited edition, only 50 in the world. And then over here, I have some goodies from Voltex. Actually, well, these aren't really Voltex parts per se, but I got them from Evasive Motorsports in California. So yeah, big shout out to them for carrying these products. So first thing I have over here, this is a license plate frame. It says Voltex. So it is also in carbon fiber. So I currently just have a pretty generic license plate frame. It's just in carbon fiber. Kind of hard to see, I guess, because it's dark. But pretty simple. I decided that I wanted to go with this one. It is expensive. It is in carbon fiber as well. And it says Voltex. Voltex Racing, Suzuka, Japan. I do have a Voltex Racing Type 4 GT wing. I also do have a limited edition Voltex GT steering wheel, Nardi collaboration piece. Only 100 of these made in the world. So yeah, you guys already know I have a trend of like getting nice rare JDM parts. But it's pretty cool to scoop out a Voltex carbon fiber license plate frame. With that, I also managed to buy this Voltex T-shirt. So let me open it up. I actually haven't opened it up myself. I'm pretty excited to rock this T-shirt. Also picked it up from Evasive Motorsports, if you guys are wondering. Alright, so on the front here it says Voltex. Just a simple, black T-shirt on the front. On the rear, that's pretty cool. On the rear here it says Voltex as well. Voltex Racing Suzuka Japan. But if you look up here, this is a Voltex Evasive S2000. So I'll drop hints here and there. I really want to build an S2000 for my next build. If you guys have been following my channel for a while, I already do have a Voltex wing. I know it says Jace Racing here, but I do have a Voltex wing already in there for my next build. So stay tuned. I don't know how soon I'll get that car, but one day. So if you guys are fans of that car, leave a thumbs up in this video. And then finally, last but not least, we have this big box here. This is the part that I'm most excited for. Some of you guys, if you guys did stay to the end, you'll miss this part out. But this is a part that I'm really excited for. These are actually lights for this car. So you guys might be wondering, what do you mean by lights? So they are tail lights to be exact. I currently do have these aftermarket tail lights already. Nothing wrong with them. I sold my OEM set a while back and I picked up these set. There are a few different aftermarket options for the Lancer and Evo platform. I like this one. It has like the black smoke look to it. And then whenever you illuminate it at night, it kind of like an L shape. So it almost looks like a Lexus. I like it. Like I said, it is LED. The backup lights on LED, but I switched them out to last fit LED bulb. But over here, recently I've seen photos of this company that came out with a new set of tail lights, which I really like the design, but I decided to go with it. You guys might have seen this break the internet with Evos and Lancers, but here's the design. It is pretty cool. It does have a sequential and it's pretty much plug and play. I have them here. It's 4 pieces. If you guys are wondering why is it 4 pieces, it's because one piece is on the quarter panel, one piece is on the trunk. Same with the other side. So 4 pieces total. I've done an install video in the past, but I'll do it again because it's been quite a while. Pretty easy. Really is just a few bolts to take out. I'm not sure if that one comes with bulbs, but I'll transfer the bulbs over. Definitely transferring over that LED bulb. And yeah, if you do have a trunk liner, you have to take that out. But I'll be doing an install video on that as well. So make sure to stay tuned. I am super excited for these taillights. I will probably slap them on, I don't know, ASAP. If you guys stick to the really end, I hope you guys like the video. I decided to make a simple video of what of the parts I've accumulated over the past few weeks. Like I said, whenever this car was under the knife, in the shop for a year doing a turbo build, I did the same thing. I accumulated so many JDM parts for it that I put on. I keep saying JDM, that's because I do have a lot of rare Japanese parts. Some parts are like the Gendor side mirrors, super rare, discontinued. I already showed you guys my Voltex GT wing, another JDM brand. And then you can't forget the Volt Racing T37s, Race, another Japanese brand. Various bumper, it's kind of hard to see. And under the hood, I have a bunch of ARC parts, also Japanese brand. ARC intake box, ARC blow valve, ARC blow valve pipe, ARC operating the cooler piping, ARC intercooler. We have Blitz parts, again Japanese JDM parts, Blitz pipe stopper, carbine strut bar in titanium. Yeah, my list is just endless. I just have so many JDM parts, and They always say you pay to play, and that's true because with these rare JDM parts, firstly, they are expensive. They're expensive because they're discontinued. And what that means is if a part is discontinued, like those ERC parts in the engine bay, even if you have money to buy it, you can't find it because there's no website, there's no listing to buy it. You just have to wait for someone like myself or someone else who has them selling them used. So that's pretty crazy. The demand is pretty high for them, if you know, and they get really expensive, like I said. Or parts like the Voltex GT wing, they are still in production, but you wait months and months for them because it's being made to order and shipped from Japan. So my brother actually, he ordered a Voltex wing for his Mark V Supra, spoiler alert. He ordered that back in November 2020. And it was supposed to be here in August 2021, but yeah, no news yet. So it might be almost a year wait before he actually gets his Voltex wing. I'm super excited because we'll be both rocking Voltex wings on our builds. Like I said, I have another little extra. I already have another Voltex wing here because I found a pretty good deal. Snagged it for my next build. But I hope you guys like these little parts unboxing, revealing videos. If you guys stay to the end, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.